Hello, guys. So I visited a waterfall in Kenya, in the region of Rift Valley. So, guys, it was a very interesting sight. So you can have a look. That's water. Actually, it's I think one of the longest waterfalls in Kenya. The water was very clear, as you can see, and very beautiful. The soft rocks actually blew my mind, and the thicket that surrounded it brought a very natural setting into on the place. So I was actually filming just 4, maybe 6 yards from the waterfall. You can see I'm drawing nearer and nearer, guys. So that is water washing the smooth, washing the stones. So guys, here is another scenery here. Water is just flowing down to the rocks. This is another one, guys. Very beautiful. Water in between stones. See how it goes. Very, very nice scenery. Very beautiful. This is actually recorded. I like to show you how. I'm showing you in real time how they work. Real time, guys. As you can see, this is Kenya. Guys, this is another scenery. I was actually recording beautiful sceneries. This is another. Water was actually moving so fast. Actually moving very, very fast. There's another one, guys. You can have a look. You can hear the water. So this is me. I was actually checking myself, make sure it was clear. I was trying to talk, but it wasn't audible because of the water. I was sitting in a very dangerous position filming. So guys, you can have a look. So guys, I was heading back to. Hello, guys. I was climbing actually to the top because obviously rivers are usually at the valleys, the bottom. So I was climbing the thicket. We are actually you can see other people. You can see other people getting away too. You can see, guys, other people are getting away.